Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning! Good morning guys. Hold on guys I-charge ko lang tong cellphone ko. Happy Monday everyone! Monday na tayo ngayon and meron akong hindi ginawa na gusto kong hindi gagawin talaga. Labhan yung bedsheets. Noong andito si Bianan sa bahay, dito siya natutulog, di ba? Hindi ko sana ito gagawin. Labhan itong bed. Gusto kong dito na lang sana pero meron kasing this coming Pasko, this coming Christmas kasi yung sister ni Tami sabi niya gusto niya dito matulog. Tignan natin kung kasi yun yung sabi niya last namin kita. Dito sila matulog mag-asawa at saka anak nila isa. Amoy Bianan. Oh my god. Amoy Bianan. Yung amoy is siya. Yan yung buhok niya dito pa. Yan. Hindi ko sana is honestly hindi ko to gustong galawin. As in hindi ko talaga gustong galawin. Ano ka? Nakakamiss lang si Bianan. Ay. Ewan ko sobrang aga naiyak ako. Ewan ko. Kasi maglilinis ako guys. And then dito alam ko naman na ano to dapat labhan pero alam nyo yung wala na siya sa mundo, wala na siya, hindi mo na siya kasama, pero maano mo pa, yung amoy, yung ano siya, yung amoy niya, yung siya talaga na siya. Ito buhok niya. Yan, inano ko tong ano, kasi nakaganito yan. Inano ko. Look, every time I move it, yung hangin. Amoy niya. Anyway guys, pasensya na guys ha, early in the morning. Alam niyo si Bianan, may nagsasabi sa akin na hindi ka ba takot na ganon, na wala na siya, baka magmulto, ganon. Alam niyo, takot ako sa multo, honestly. Takot talaga ako. Pero dahil kilala ko si Bianan, parang hindi man yun mananakot. Para kapag kung may gawin man, kung totoo man yung mga ganon, kung may gagawin si Bianan, pakuratan lang ko. Yun. Yung parang, ano ba, gulatin. Pero hindi, takutin. Kilala ko kasi yun, as in, kilala ko. Sabi pa ni Tami sa akin, kahapon ba yun, isang araw. Sabi pa niya sa akin, palagi kaming nag-uusap about Bianan. Parang, pang-release, So, every time na mag-usap kami about Bianan. So, sabi pa niya, ikaw yung nakapag-alaga talaga sa ina daw kaysa dalawang babae. Actually, 3 babae, wala naman yung isa. Sa magkapatid, yun si Tami, inalagaan naman yan. Sobrang tagal na. So, pero sa yung alagang-alaga talaga, kumpara sa kapatid. Parang nasabi niya, parang naano ako, parang sabi ko, I'm proud. Sabi ko, I'm proud na inalagaan ko yung ina mo. Kahit may mga problema, alam naman ng lahat, kahit may mga problema, talagang mas komportable siya. Sabi ko kay Tami, mas komportable siya sa ating dalawa. Sabi ko sa kanya, sabi pa ni Tami, oo. Saka ikaw talaga yung nag-alaga. From the beginning talaga na naghirap si Bianan. Nung starting ng ng dialysis niya. Kahit noon, wala pa siyang sakit, walang dialysis. Kapag may sakit yan, guys, alam niyo, nasabi ko to sa vlog ko noon na paminsan mapifeel ko na para akong aid niya. Para akong aid niya ba, hindi ako asawa ni Tami. Kasi yun yung naano ko. Kasi kapag may sakit siya, gusto niyang andun ako kasama. Kapag sasama ako kay Tami, sabihin niya, sasama ka naman. Iwan mo ako, ganun ba. So, parang noong that time, parang parang ano ba sa tingin mo sa akin, aid ako. Ang ganun. So, but in the end of the day, yung mga ngayong nangyayari, ganun, ma-realize mo, wow, parang mas komportable pala talaga siya kaysa andun ako kasama niya, ganun ba. Pero alam nyo, tao lang naman ako, hindi ako perfecto. May mga din. So, ma-realize mo lang talaga in the end pag wala ng tao. Kaya sabi ko sa asawa ko, sabi ko kay Tami na, Mom, Mom makes me realize na na dapat talaga kapag may tampuhan kayo sa magulang ninyo, ganun, siya talaga yung nagpaano sa akin na nagpabuka ng mata ko na kapag may tampuhan, talagang anak tayo, dapat talaga. Ganun ba? Sabi pa ni Tami sa akin, o kaya, kaya kausapin mo na yung ina mo. Kasi hindi kami palaging nag-uusap. Yung sister ko yung palagi kong kausap. Siya talaga yung kausap ko palagi. Sabi ko, hindi ko naman sila palaging nakausap. Pero nangumusta ako everyday. Everyday ako tumatawag sa sister ko. So, nangumusta ako everyday. Pero lately, padala ako ng padala. Hindi naman yan dahil sa pera. Para masayahan sila ba kasi Pasko. Makes you realize na, ay, ang ina talaga. Kailangan talagang anuhin. Kahit sino pa yan yung mahal mo sa buhay. Kahit hindi ina, kahit ama, kahit kapatid. Ma-realize mo na Pero may kasi tayong tao eh. Kita tayong mga tao, may tayo. May ego. May ego tayo, di ba? Parang, ganun. Kaya, dapat talaga na awayin natin yung ego na yan at sa kailangan nating alisin sa buhay. Ego ba yun? Ego ba yun? Iwan ko guys, maglilinis lang ako. Labhan ko lang to guys. Pasensya na talaga biyanan. Anuhin talaga kita. Siya talaga guys. Laba ako guys. Laba. Para ready. Nahulog itong camera ko. Pinaglaruan ni Habsi Boy. Mag-wrap lang ako ng mga gifts. Okay. Ito, hindi ko ito wrap. Hindi ko ito wrap kasi para to sa bata. Huwag nyo kalimutan babalik sa channel kasi meron akong gagawing kalukuhan kay Tami. Hindi naman sobrang kalukuhan pero lang natin, i-shock lang natin siya. Kalukuhang shock. Kalukuhang shock show. Hi guys, so kunin natin yung mga plato para sa Christmas. Gamit tayo ng ladder kasi hindi tayo aabot. Clean the dishes. Ito yung natanggap ni Lloydie guys. Look, ang ganda, 'di ba? So sabi ko sa kanya, baka gusto niya ulit ito. Sabi niya okay na daw siya. Okay na siya guys. Huwag niya nang pukusin pa. Anyway, so ito yun siya. So ngayon, maghugas ako ng mga plato. Paper plate sana yung gamitin. Naisip ko. Gamitin natin to. Hindi naman always, di ba? Hindi naman yan every month. Once a year lang ito. And then, magluto ako ng Brussels sprout with bacon and a lot of garlic. So, ito yung lagyan natin. Kasi yung iba is order lang. Kasi, sabi ko nga sa'yo, hindi ito yung talagang luto ka, busy ka, ganun-ganun. Para hindi na kami ni Tami hirapan pang magkalisod, di ba? Di ba, little boy? Of course, it's Monday, pero wala yung asawa dito, di ba? Dahil si Tami is always late. Always. For some reason, I keep telling him, hindi na niya ako gustong makita pa. Ala, ang ganda ng temperature ngayon, guys. Ala, ang ganda ng temperature ngayon. Nag-melt na yun, oh, yung iba. Meron pa siya, pero nag-melt na. Hala, 50, oh. 50. Parang pa-summer na ulit. 50 degree. Ang ganda ng temperature. La, nag-melt na dito din, oh. Hawa na, nagtubig na. Look. Yung ice dyan, nag-melt na. Hello, ice water mix. You go, Pepe na. Let's go, Pepe. Oh my God. Clumsy na. You're so clumsy. You're too clumsy. You're very clumsy. Come out here. You go, Pepe. Come, let's go. Pee, go pee. Look, nag-melt na guys. Oh, yung ice. Oh, be careful over here, ha? Look, oh, it's icy, oh. Hala ka di, ha? Time check. It is 5:30. And ngayon lang dumating yung asawa nating lahat. Ngayon lang dumating. Ito na yung platong gamitin natin sa Christmas. Tinabunan. Hugas na yan. Clean. Tabunan lang natin para walang abig-abig. Kasi ayaw ko yung maabig-abig. Maabo-abo. Ulo. 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 Hello.
Hi guys. Hi puppies.
Hello, there's so humpy. Hello. 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 Hansa, what is here?
Hey little man.
Okay guys, tulungan ko muna si Tammy. He has a lot of... Okay, Roxy, go in and get... Okay, you don't want to go inside. Give me, put in my hand. Really? Oh God. Ano ba yung mga binibili niya? Do you have more? I told you to get the small one. This is gonna go garbage again. The same thing the last party here. It's very annoying. You don't even kiss me, nothing. The first thing you do is kiss the dogs.
Do not listen.
I miss this bread. I miss this bread. You cannot get it here.
I know.
I will probably make this garlic bread.
Yeah.
Give me a hug, please. Hug it. Labi-dabi with me. Labi-dabi with me.
I can't. I gotta rock you like hell.
Labi-dabi. I'm all boring, labi-dabi.
Sorry, got bored. Oh, that's alright.
Somebody's crying.
Yeah, imagine that. One of these. Go into the freezer.
This is gonna go bad, hand, in the Wednesday.
It'll be fine. This goes in the freezer. I guess we use one and one goes in the freezer.
How many you got?
2.
Why 2? You have so many in the freezer too.
Where? I get shrimp in here in the freezer?
Yeah. This goes to the freezer, and there's no space here, so good luck with you.
Okay, for that.
Freezer.
For one? Just one.
This is ShopRite bag.
Keep one out.
Nice, good though.
Keep one out.
Keep one out, it's gonna go bad.
No, it's gotta fly out. One goes in the freezer. This goes down.
What else you got? Calling you, hon. Calling you.
I meant that for the Nourish Y'all house.
And why you have it here? Is it mango too? You bring that downstairs. What is this?
Maybe.
Refrigerator downstairs.
Well, I gotta cook one. I should. I think
Why
I got.
you get this
I think I gotta
time?
cook 2. What?
Look
I
at
told you they didn't have the sliced up cheese.
I know, but oh my God. Okay, whatever. This refrigerator.
Let's keep one of these up here and I'll slice them up and see how much it makes. I might have to make both
We
of
do
them.
it tomorrow.
We got other stuff to do tomorrow. Can we cook it, we make it, we put it in the refrigerator and make it?
Tonight?
I guess.
No, tomorrow. Okay, what else? You go bring that. I'll bring the rest. One, I will cook this tonight. Vegetables. Para ito daw sa party. Tignan mo yun si Bagbag, oh. Hoy, that's not for you, little boy. Ay, ay. More cheese. More pepperoni. Guys, how long is that? This is so Freaking long. Syagit, medyo dapat maigo ka na ba? Tingnan naman talaga. Syagit ka talaga sa maraming kasyagitan. What are you doing here? You don't belong here, you know? This is what we do. This is really good. A roasted garlic. Potato, mashed potato. Gusto niya gumawa siya ng fresh na string bean casserole. Bumili siya nito, 2. Ilagay ko lang siya dito para hindi makalimutan bukas. Ito din nakalimutan niya.
Oh, it's a free. Yeah, but see, it's 42. That's too warm.
That's too warm?
Like
Okay, here, freezer.
freezing this out.
Yeah, I know. There's no space. Make sure that it's not gonna drop because there is prime rib and leg of lamb over there. Is it nice? That's heavy. This one is light, but that's heavy. I like it. This one I'm glad to use now. Gamitin natin to, guys. Lutuin natin to. Kami have to eat the kind of like paksiw, lechon paksiw na chicken. And then rice, and then a little soup. And then this. So that's good. We're gonna pick up some food. And then we're gonna try a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I need to buy bacon. And Brussels sprout. Gorilla, gorilla. Da 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 da. What? I like this one, look.
Yeah, but how long before it gets hot?
Why is that supposed to not get hot? It get hot. Like when I put oil, it really hot quick.
No, I'm saying this handles copper, so that should transfer heat.
But it's not yet.
Yeah. But then you're gonna touch it, what point then it's not hot.
Ang dilim dito, guys, pero itong camera is kitang-kita ninyo pa rin. Pero madilim dito ngayon. Manonood lang kami ng movie. Hindi movie. Ano yung panoorin namin is pinatay ko nga yung Christmas tree para hindi what are we going to watch?
You said you want to watch Taxi.
Taxi. Resume from the last one with It's done, guys. Tapos ng movie. We're watching Beethoven. Beethoven, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's sleeping though. He's snoring. No, he's not snoring. No, he took it.
You want to do Christmas with the Cranks? That's Tim Allen.
No, oh my God, honey, you know what? I will see that every time
That's not the Santa Claus. That's Christmas with the Cranks.
No, I watched that. I don't like it. Kidding me? I watch it how many times also in TV. What about the Beethoven, the other Beethoven you said, the old one?
Okay.
No, what is the story? Is it good?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys. Tomorrow, guys, maaga pa kami. I have to go to the store tomorrow early to get some Brussels sprout. And we're going to pick up the food 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow 5 o'clock. And hopefully, our refrigerator is full. We're gonna put the food outside. It's colder. God, Merry Christmas! Ang dalawang aso dito I don't know where's the two cats.
Oh, they're here.
Oh, you don't have it. You don't have it. You don't have it. I'm going to end this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope I will see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, I still have to do my video. And yung video ko is, hindi ko...
Comedy.
What, is it comedy? I don't like comedy.
You don't like comedy.
Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Movie time with Tommy tonight. Yep. Bye. Good night.